Good morning students. In this video I would like to explain the remaining topics of the fourth chapter in the earliest cities. In the previous topic we studied life in the city. In that most people they were engaged in different activities, in different occupations. But new crafts also developed in the city. That is our new topic, new crafts in the city. Copper and bronze, they were used to make tools, weapons, ornaments and vessels. In the earliest cities, people, they started to make tools, weapons, ornaments and vessels from copper and bronze. Besides that, gold and silver, they were also found and people started to use them and made ornaments and vessels. Another, the most striking finds are those of beads, weights and blades. Even the archaeologists, they have found beads, weights and blades. That also suggested that these earliest people who stayed in the earliest cities, they also made beads, weights and blades. Another, the Harappans, they made seals out of stone and each seal had an animal carved on them. The Harappans, they also made pots with beautiful black designs on them. So these were new crafts which developed in the earliest cities. Making tools, ornaments, weapons and vessels from copper and bronze, ornaments and vessels from silver and gold, also beads, weights and blades, seals making and different pots with beautiful black designs. These were new crafts developed in the earliest cities. The next topic, that is faience. Faience, it is a material that artificially produced. A material that is artificially produced. One such material, that is faience. A gum is used to shape sand into an object. For making this faience, a gum is used to shape sand into any object. Then the object are then glazed to a shiny glassy surface and the colors used are blue or sea green. The objects, once they are made from by using gum, then those objects, they are glazed, means they are rubbed to shiny glassy surface and then blue or sea green colors were used. It is used, faience, it is used to make beads, bangles and tiny vessels. Then the next topic, that is in search of raw material. The people who stayed in the earliest cities, they were producing many things. They were making different things, and to produce various things they needed raw materials. Now some raw materials, they were available locally. It means some raw materials, they were available in their locality, so they got them. But some materials they had to bring from distant places. Such materials were copper, tin, gold, silver and some precious stones. These materials they had to bring from distant places. For example, they brought copper from Rajasthan, tin from Afghanistan, gold from Karnataka and precious stones from Gujarat, Afghanistan and Iran. So to produce various things, the people of earliest cities, they brought different things from distant places. Remember this: copper from Rajasthan, tin from Afghanistan, gold from Karnataka, and precious stones from Gujarat, Iran, and Afghanistan. Next topic: food for people in the cities. How the people of the earlier cities they received food. We know that farmers and herders they used to stay in countryside. They were producing grains by planting various seeds. They used to grow various grains. So the farmers and herders they supplied food to craftsperson, scribes, and the rulers in the cities. Besides that, remains of the plants that the Harappan grew, they were found. They were wheat, barley, peas, rice, sesame, linseed, and mustard seed. The remains of such they were found from Harappan cities. That also reveals that they were using them as food. Then a new tool, that was the plough, it was found, which was used to dig the earth for turning the soil and planting seeds. The people there found out plough, and that was useful to plough the soil and to plant the seeds. Then the Harappan reared cattle, sheep, goats, and buffalo. So these animals they provide them milk. So milk they were also used as food. Then they also collected fruits such as bear. Then they also caught fish and hunted some of the animals. So in this way the earliest people in the cities they received food.